In the previous video, we completed genus Esophagistomum. In this video, we will complete genus Stephanurus. After this, we will complete genus Dictophyma. The genus Stephanurus and Dictophyma are containing the worms which are present in the kidney. Now let us come to the genus Stephanurus. The Stephanurus dentatus is the only veterinary important species which is present in the kidney of swine. Therefore, it is commonly called as kidney worm of swine. The eggs of these worms are ellipsoidal, covered by thin shell with segmenting embryo inside the egg. These eggs are passed out in the urine because these worms are present in the kidney, and from the kidney they will enter ureter, and inside the ureter they will form a cyst and they lie inside the cyst present in the ureter. Therefore, these eggs are voided in the urine, and within 24 hours at 26 degrees Celsius the eggs will hatch and liberate the larvae. These larvae will molt to become L3 is the infective stage larva within 4 days. Now, for Stephanurus dentatus, earthworms act as a paratenic host or transposed host. Now let us come to the mode of infection. The infection is mainly by the penetration. Sometimes the eggs may also ingested by the host, and the eggs will liberate the larvae, and those larvae will molt during the penetration of the stomach wall. And after penetration to the wall of stomach, then the larvae will enter the portal circulation, thereby it will reach the liver. In the liver, they will wander in the below the capsule. The liver, which is covered by capsule, just below the capsule, the larvae will start migrating. And after migration, those larvae will penetrate the capsule, thereby entering into the peritoneal cavity. Then from the peritoneal cavity, they will reach the kidney. That is nothing but perirenal tissue, and they will form the cyst in the ureter. Inside the cyst, they will mature, and after maturation, they will start laying eggs, and those laid eggs are passed out in the urine. And the majority cases where infection is by the penetration of the larva, infective L3 stage larva penetration, and after penetration of the larva, they will enter systemic circulation. These larvae will penetrate the skin or sometimes abdominal muscles, and during penetration the larva will exsheath its membrane, and after penetration it will enter the systemic circulation. From systemic circulation it will reach the liver. Again the same situation will happen after once it reach the liver. From liver it again penetrate the capsule to reach the peritoneal cavity. From the peritoneal cavity it will reach the kidney, ureter, from ureter to the urine, and it will pass the egg. Now let us come to the pathogenesis. Because of penetration by the larva, at the site of penetration there is the formation of nodule, and enlargement and edema of the adjacent lymph node can be seen, and the adult worms are migrate in the liver, which will eventually leads to the liver cirrhosis and multiple adhesions in the peritoneum. And sometimes the lesions may also be seen in the spinal cord, and the cyst is found in the ureter, which will leads to the thickened ureter, and sometimes which will leads to the occlusion. The clinical signs which are exhibited by the affected host are stiffness of muscle and posterior paralysis, depressed growth rate and emaciation, and ascites. And to finally diagnose, the sample is collected, which is urine, and in the urine diagnosed for the presence of egg, and in the postmortem lesions there is enlarged liver and cirrhosis. This is about the genus Stephanurus, and the Stephanurus dentatus is the kidney worm of swine. In the next video we will discuss genus Dictophyma. Dictophyma renale is the kidney worm of dog, which is the largest known nematode. Thank you.